Are you thinking about using Reclaim.ai? Here are 7 things you need to know before making that decision. Stay tuned until the end to get the full picture of how this software stacks up against the competition and whether it's really the best fit for your needs. First up, one of the standout features of Reclaim.ai is its ability to automate your calendar like no other. It intelligently blocks off time for tasks, meetings, and personal events based on your preferences. This makes it significantly more efficient compared to something like Google Calendar or Outlook, which rely heavily on manual input. Reclaim's smart scheduling lets you focus on more important things without worrying about manually adjusting your calendar every time something new comes up. Next thing, Reclaim integrates well with other tools. Whether you're using Google Calendar, Zoom, Slack, or even Trello, it connects seamlessly with your other software. This is a huge plus as it saves you time and minimizes the effort needed to synchronize all your apps. Unlike competitors like Clockwise or Motion, Reclaim offers this integration with a smoother user experience and fewer bugs, allowing for easier scaling as your team grows. The third thing to know about Reclaim.ai is its intuitive time blocking feature. While other tools like Time Block or Focus Booster might give you basic time blocking, Reclaim takes it a step further. It can auto-adjust your day based on priority, ensuring your most important tasks get done when you're at peak productivity. This level of adaptability is key for busy professionals who want to be more strategic with their time. Moving on to the fourth thing, Reclaim's AI-driven suggestions for meeting times are something to consider. Instead of manually juggling meeting requests, Reclaim uses AI to suggest optimal times based on your availability, workload, and even past meeting patterns. This can save a lot of time and avoid unnecessary back and forth. It's something that competitors like XAI try to offer, but Reclaim's suggestions are more accurate and helpful, especially for teams who need to work together efficiently. The fifth thing is its unique approach to managing focus time. It not only blocks out time for deep work, but can also adapt to your energy levels throughout the day. Reclaim tracks your schedule to identify when you're most productive, and it adjusts your work blocks to match those windows. This is a level of personalization that most calendar management tools, including traditional options like Microsoft Outlook or Google Calendar, just don't offer. Next, the sixth thing, Reclaim.ai offers exceptional analytics for your calendar. If you're the type of person who likes to track how you're spending your time, Reclaim provides detailed insights on your activities and focus time. These reports help you identify where your time goes and how you can improve. Most alternatives out there don't offer this kind of in-depth analysis, which makes Reclaim an edge over others in terms of long-term productivity improvement. Lastly, the seventh thing to keep in mind before buying Reclaim.ai is its simplicity and user experience. While some calendar apps can be overly complicated and cluttered with unnecessary features, Reclaim focuses on simplicity. It delivers a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate for anyone, whether you're tech-savvy or not. It may not have every single feature of some competitors, but the ones it does have are incredibly well executed, making it a more enjoyable tool for daily use. If you're interested in giving Reclaim.ai a shot, you can try it completely free through the first link in the description below. By using this link, you'll also get exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. It's the perfect way to experience the power of Reclaim firsthand before committing to it. So, if you want to try out Reclaim.ai and see if it's the right tool for you, click that link in the description and start your free trial today.